Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites quickly. Check Windows Edition, TPM enabled, and whether the disk is MBR or GPT so you know which tools to use. Once done, sign in with an administrator account on the locked machine if possible, and prepare a separate working PC plus a 4 GB USB. You need these to create a recovery environment. Make the rescue drive now. It's the foundation for mounting and repairing the Bitlocker volume without the recovery key. Boot the locked computer from the Windows PE USB you made, because native Windows tools can't run while the volume is locked. Once booted, open a command prompt and run Manage BDE status to identify the encrypted volume. If available, try Manage BDE unlock with any cached protector ID or use a temporary protector via Manage BDE protectors, add to attach a new password protector. Use DISM to repair file system issues that can block unlock, and mount the volume to inspect files once unlocked. After you successfully unlock the drive, add a new protector or disable Bitlocker temporarily so you can back up data and recreate a recovery key. Run chkdsk and sfc to repair disk and system file problems that may have triggered encryption access issues. If unlock attempts fail, verify TPM PCR values and restore any changed BIOS/UEFI settings, because TPM mismatch is a common blocker. Also try different USB ports and recreate the rescue media. One key troubleshooting tip: if the TPM shows an error, reinitialize TPM only after backing up data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.